You might not have a communication problem in your relationship, but a listening problem. During most couples' conversations, both partners are trying to be heard, which means that neither is listening and both are left feeling unheard. When you don't feel heard, you naturally try harder to explain yourself. Your partner does the same. Before long, you're both talking more, but connecting less. You're both trying harder to make a point, but feeling heard less. Next time, try a different approach. When your partner tells you something, do 4 things. Number 1, pause the need to respond. Number 2, ask one thoughtful listen question, something like, what is it that you would like me to hear? Number 3, give your partner enough time to answer. And number 4, listen. 4 things to help your partner feel heard. More about listen conversations and listen questions on our website.